Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Sonos with Google Assistant routines step by step clearly. To begin, ensure your Sonos system is set up and connected to your Wi-Fi network. Open the Google Home app on your smartphone or tablet. Tap on the plus icon located at the top left corner of the screen. Select Setup Device from the drop-down menu. Choose Works with Google to find compatible devices. Scroll down to locate and select Sonos from the list of services. Tap Link to connect your Sonos account with Google Assistant. Sign in to your Sonos account using your credentials. Grant Google Assistant permission to access your Sonos devices. Once connected, you will see a confirmation screen indicating successful authorization. Return to the main page of the Google Home app. Tap on Routines from the menu options. Select Manage Routines to create a new routine. Tap on the plus icon to add a new routine. Choose a trigger for your routine, such as a voice command or a specific time. Select Add Action to define what you want Google Assistant to do. In the action list, look for Adjust Media or Control Device. Select your Sonos speakers to include them in the routine. Specify additional actions, like playing music or adjusting the volume. After finalizing your actions, tap Save to keep your routine. Test your new routine using the assigned trigger phrase. Make adjustments as needed to optimize your experience. You are now ready to use Google Assistant routines with your Sonos system. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.